Hello and welcome to our webeyeCMS video tutorials. For this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to configure subscriptions, notifications, and to invite users to a site. As you can see, we're already logged into webeyeCMS. Sometimes you may need to invite a user from a different hierarchy to a specific site, or to remove a certain site's alarms from a user's alarm queue. First, we will look into adding a user to view alarms from a site. We first need to locate and view the site we want to set up subscriptions for. Click on Subscriptions from the menu to display the Subscriptions page. You can search for any user that already exists in WebEye who is level or above this site in the hierarchy. Enter the username for the person you wish to add. If no match is found, this may be because they exist in a hierarchy you do not have access to view. To get around this, you can choose to invite the user. Ticking this option will subscribe the user to the site. Click Subscriptions to reload the page. We can see the user is now included in the site's subscriptions. There are several options available for subscribed users. If you want the site to show in the user's alarm list when there is an alarm, you must have Alarms ticked. Removing this option will also remove app and SMS notifications if enabled. If you are logged in to the webeyeCMS app, enabling app notifications tells WebEye that it should send a push notification to your mobile device. When you select this, the Alarms option will also be enabled if it isn't already. Like app notifications, when an alarm is received, webeyeCMS can also send a text message to let you know. This can be useful as a backup in case push notifications aren't delivered. But we don't recommend that you rely on this method of notifications due to SMS itself not being reliable. Ticking Blocked will suppress alarms and notifications for the selected user. The type of alarm received for this site can be changed, and an alarm delay can be included. This will be unique to this site only. If the user is within the site hierarchy, they are automatically made an owner of the site. This enables the usual permissions and can be configured by an administrator. If the user has been invited from outside of the site's hierarchy, they can be given guest or administrator permission levels. A guest can only view alarms and configure their own notifications. Administrators will also be able to close alarms. If you want to apply a setting to more than one user, you can select the users individually, like this, or tick this box to select all users. Choose an action from the drop-down and apply. The action will be applied to all selected users. Your subscriptions can also be managed by clicking Profile and then Subscriptions. Administrators can also manage subscriptions of other users. To do this, view a user and click Subscriptions. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, please take a look at our video library.